Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike Foster Outdoors. Today's video is another video back at Newton Lake, and we had a lot of Newton videos this winter because everything's kind of getting froze up around home here. But first off, I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone. Hope you and your loved ones have a good holidays. And also, today is the giveaway in this video. From the last video, if you watched it, we're going to do a giveaway for some square bill crankbaits, and I threw some stupid tubes in there as well, just because that's what we caught the fish on in that video. And I did get confirmed with Dwayne Wilson that he is going to donate a rod to give away here soon. So it's like a $180 rod, so you're going to want to keep an eye out for that. But like I said, we're going to be fishing Newton a lot. My friend Mike Lesher, he's let me borrow this boat, and I've got a 25 horse on it that another friend let me borrow. So we're going to try to fish some tournaments over there this winter, which I've always wanted to do that, but I've never had the setup to do it. So you don't want to go over there and battle with a bunch of boats that have 25 horses on it and can move around and try to fish with just a trolling motor on your big boat. But here's what we're giving away today. First off, a few crankbaits there, and then I got 15 stupid tubes in this bag here. These are the old Snack Daddy tubes. They've went out of business. But if you guys are looking for where you can find these tubes at, Hoosier Bait Company is making these exact tubes. Jim Miller, he's a great guy, so you might check him out if you're trying to find the old Snack Daddy tubes. And then 5 1/4 ounce heads, so you can stupid tube rig them. I stole my daughter's McDonald's Happy Meal bucket here for this. So got 25 names in here. We're going to see what we come up with. What the heck, that must be good karma. Mike Lesher. That's what good karma does when you it comes back around for you. He's been letting us use this boat. That's pretty cool. So I know how to get in touch with Mike. Congratulations, Mike, on winning the raffle here. And I appreciate everybody that commented. And we will probably be doing the other giveaway for the fishing rod on either 2,500 subscribers, or I might wait till 3,000. So thanks for stopping by, guys. Hang out and enjoy some more fish catching action. We'll talk to you later. Tight lines. Good luck to you.
Yep,
I got 50.5 right here on water temp.
pretty good.
We came over last Monday and pretty darn cold, but we caught about 36.
Is that right? Chartreuse.
He's trying to call me in with the chartreuse pattern. Probably got black stripes on it.
There we go. Good one too. Good one. Oh, thick baby. From the mama. Oh yeah.
Crushed it.
Look at them fat rascals.
Brett, that's on your little spinner bait.
Little fat mama.
Does better than the Ohio River.
Nice way to start.
Belly meat.
Oh yeah.
He crushed it too.
Oh man, you're gonna make a square bill.
He was just like, I didn't hit anything either. He was just out there.
Yeah.
Number 2 on the, finally got a square bill bite. Ooh, we got 10 on the landing. That's an absolute 10 on that landing.
Was it?
He barely made a splash. Another one down the way.
Yeah.
Another one jumped down there farther.
Dang it. Decent one?
Can't tell.
Help me.
Spinnerbait to the face.
I'm being stubborn trying to get one to eat a tube.
I know. Pitching it again.
Dang it.
Another bite?
Yeah, he's on it. He's swimming with it, see?
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh.
Finally got one, but it's a good one.
Yeah.
He's hooked in the bottom
lip.
lip.
That's never a good sign.
I know. What you eating upside down? Gosh, that's a fat rascal. Finally.
Look at the belly on that thing. Want a picture?
Yeah, hit me. I got mine out.
I was sitting there watching your pole where he was just chewing on it.
I'm trying to.
Oh wait, let me get my finger out of the way. It's on the bottom.
I'm trying to wait and make sure they're finally gonna get in their mouth. Finally got a squid eater.
That's an 18-inch fish.
Yeah.
That's what they gotta be to keep over here.
That's what I've heard.
I'm gonna come over here and fish a tournament. I might get my teeth kicked in. I don't care. I'm gonna come fish one.
Yeah, the logs. There's a old shad eater right there flying off.
Ooh.
That's a better one. Maybe I'm not getting as many bites, but they're good ones.
Yeah. Is that 4?
He's close. Oh yeah, he's close. Ooh. That one went. Just,
Right up there where that shad flip will go.
yeah, he was. When I picked it up, he was going. Woo.
He's an 18-incher.
Oh yeah.
James bringing in the heavy meat.
Heavy hitters. Or did you catch one in between?
A what?
Is that number 6, or did you catch one? In between?
7.
7.
Yeah,
Caught
we
one.
were at 6. Banged that out log and scared me.
Mm.
That guy just flipped that too.
Yeah, I know he did. I saw him flipping right through here. Yeah, you don't know about the tube. There's not many people as you know, not as many people as you think flip that tube.
It's tiny. Of course it is. Quit spinning, would you? If you just open your mouth, this had done been over with.
The smaller ones like that are more scary.
Oh, I know. Same as last video, nothing but hogs off the front deck. Been catching giants for years. He was on that log though. Got one?
Yep. Better.
Strong sucker.
Yeah, come off the end of that log where that last twig is like, makes a big bow. That is a good one.
Yeah.
That last twig makes a big bow right there.
Yeah.
Oh, he's barely hit. I'm swinging anyway.
Another little fat one.
He's fat. Might not have as many, but I sure got some fat ones.
Yeah, you got all the big ones.
Number 11. Little bitty one. There he is, get him.
Cow. Where's the squid at?
Throw the squid in there. That's the only way you're gonna get to that one.
Hold it.
Oh, you pulled it.
Short.
Get it in there, Mikey.
He's already done. I've missed the feed window.
Yeah.
That might be better. I don't know if we spooked him or what. How do we spook him that far away?
I don't think so. You back in there?
I threw out right there in the middle of it.
Oh, I see you. Come over here to the right just a little bit. Oh, did he eat it?
No,
How did he not eat it?
what he's doing, but he's trying to eat shad, I think. It's a good sized squirrel.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Eat it. Wow.
He acts like he's pretty aggressive.
I know. Maybe you gotta slow roll your spinnerbait right on top of that stuff. He does act like it, don't he? Got him? There he is. Oh, it's another good one too. Finally got him. Yes, another fat rascal. Number 11.
And he's sitting there. That's 12.
12, number 12.
But he's smells like shad.
Yeah. Finally got him to eat, huh?
Good grief, when he hit it,
When he did hit it, he ate
I
it.
heard my line in my guides.
Oh, wow.
It was one of those type of bites.
Once he finally decided to eat it, huh?
Yeah. That finished off my tooth head though.
Oh, I bet. That was working though.
Oh yeah. Like how many casts do we have to make in there before we get into that 4-inch strike zone?
No.
He probably would have clobbered that spinnerbait.
That's what I was thinking. If you just slow rolled it right on